move your butt. Get over.
I go up through there, listening for a different sound to try to find where the blockage is. Oh, no.
Uh-oh, are we backing up?
Damn it.
That's why I ain't up there. Finally. Gotta freeze my butt up.
Yeah. What'd I do with that Furnico coupling?
This one? My bracelet?
Oh, yep.
Man, I'm hungry for gumbo now. I got a whiff of it.
Yeah, see how it's on the ground back there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think there's an animal living in it.
Oh.
I haven't seen one or heard one, but straight behind me where I was working is where the hair was at.
Okay. Baby wipes. Poo water. I just want you to know I'm wiping all this poo off the pipe, so you got a clean one to slide down.
And that's what plumbers do.